What if I told you that beginners are already making money with AI in 2026 without skills, without experience, and without expensive tools? No hype, no fake promises, just real methods that normal people are using right now. In this video, I'll show you 3 real ways beginners are making money with AI and how you can start step by step. This video is for complete beginners. You don't need coding skills, you don't need money to start, and you don't need a big audience. All you need is a phone, internet, and the willingness to learn something new. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is changing how people work and earn money. Businesses want faster results, creators want automation, and beginners want simple ways to earn online. AI tools are doing work that used to take hours. Now it takes minutes. That's why people who understand AI early have a huge advantage in 2026. Method number 1 is AI writing. People are using AI tools like ChatGPT to write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and social media content for clients. You don't need to be a professional writer. You simply give the AI clear instructions, edit the result, and deliver it to the client. Many beginners start by offering simple services on freelance platforms or directly to small businesses. This is one of the easiest ways to earn your first online income with AI. Method number 2 is AI image creation. With tools like Leonardo AI or Bing Image Creator, beginners create images for social media, YouTube thumbnails, and simple digital designs. Businesses need visuals every day, but not everyone can design. AI solves this problem. You don't need design experience. You learn basic prompts, create images, and deliver value. This method is beginner-friendly and growing fast. Method number 2 is AI image creation. With tools like Leonardo AI or Bing Image Creator, beginners create images for social media, YouTube thumbnails, and simple digital designs. Businesses need visuals every day, but not everyone can design. AI solves this problem. You don't need design experience. You learn basic prompts, create images, and deliver value. This method is beginner-friendly and growing fast. Method number 3 is AI automation. Small businesses waste time answering emails, replying to messages, and managing simple tasks. Beginners are using AI tools to automate these processes. Even simple automation can save hours of work, and businesses are willing to pay for saved time. This method focuses on solving real problems, not chasing trends. Most beginners fail because they quit too early. They jump from tool to tool. They expect fast results, and they don't stay consistent. AI is powerful, but consistency is more powerful. Focus on one method, learn step by step, and improve with every attempt. AI is not the future. AI is happening right now. If you want to learn how to make money with AI step by step, subscribe to Nurix AI. New videos are coming.